Wow, look at this huge CSPR Casper pump. This is amazing, guys. This has been coming for a long time now. I've been watching this bad boy. I even bought more of CSPR Casper during the weekend, knowing that I'm gonna see a massive move to the upside because when the other coins were doing well, CSPR Casper was holding around this key area, yeah, moving sideways, forming this bullish structure, and immediately price break stay above the 50-day moving average. We saw this huge spike to the upside, and this pump, I believe, are the market makers or huge investors who came on board, and pumped the price. That's why you see it showing green here. Now, what is gonna be the next target for CSPR or Casper? Are we gonna see this pump continue? Of course, I think we are going to see this pump continue, and that's why in today's video I want us to look at some key areas where we can expect price to reject from, and then look for possible target to take out some profits when price gets there. If you're new on this platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you understand what goes on in the crypto space. I talk more about market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit, and when to stay away from the market. If this stuff content interests you, feel free to smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. But guys, usually, whenever I see a move like this, okay, it gives me a signal that the market makers have already marked the zone where they want price to go. This is the mark. This is where they want price to go. So this pullback, I mean, some guys have cashed out profit. Those who have been buying, they saw this as an opportunity. Those who like saw the pump cash out profit already, and we have lots of liquidation, up here. And I think that's the reason why price had to drop down drastically. Then we're gonna see natural movement now of price towards that area again. So looking at this structure now, I believe we're gonna start seeing price do something like this, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows until we get there. That's what I think might happen. But if say we are not gonna see something like that happen, then price might just come straight away down here to retest this key structure here, then move somehow like this, then come back a little bit, move somehow like this, come back a little bit, move somehow like this, then until price get to this target here. But I strongly believe this is gonna be the target for this current movement, and this target is gonna take us to create higher highs for CSPR Casper. You can see the previous high, during the so-called altcoin season, Casper went right up towards this price point. So I think that at least to an extent, the next move is gonna take us there. And if the price is gonna go there, I'm gonna take it from where price left, yeah, to that area. We are looking at about 1.6x, and then if it goes right up there, we're looking at 2x, So if say would have sold here, we would have made 2x instantly, during this pump to the upside. I still believe in the Casper project. I think they still have a long way to go to build more trust, to onboard more investors, to onboard more market makers. I think the project has a future. It's a blockchain-based project. So if say they can bring in more developers to build on the platforms, on their platform or on their blockchain, I think they are going to go a long, long, long way in the space. That's why looking at a price like this, I think it's cheap. It's cheap. If say what I'm saying comes to pass, then this price is cheap. I'm looking at this coin to get to about $1, $2, $5. It has gone to $1 in the past. So why can't it go again? Almost $1 in the past. And this time around, I think it can get there. So if say this bad boy gets to $1, guys, that's gonna be a huge profit for you. From where we are right now. If let's just say we see a massive bull run for price to revisit this higher, guys. We're looking at about how many X there. Let me see. From where we are. Oh boy. So from where we are, let's see how many X is gonna be. Half, it's gonna be about 2X. So if say we are going right away to about $1, then I think that's gonna be about 5 or 10X, something like that. Let me just see if that's the case. If we're going to $1, you know, I just love to see. I just want to see what's gonna be the price if say we get to $1. Let's just see. Wow, the upside is bogus. Oh boy, let's see. Right up here, that's gonna be wow, 2000x. Oh boy. Oh boy, let's get to $1. So if this price goes to $1, how many percent are we looking at right now? That's gonna be how much? Wow, 6,000%, right? That's gonna be 6,060x. Wow, 60x. Wow, that's gonna be huge, huge. So this coin can literally 100x your investment. Just imagine that something happens. You can never know, guys. Anything can happen in crypto. Anything can happen. Never say never when it comes to crypto. They just say something happened and this blockchain blow or this coin blow. Oh boy, do you know how much you're gonna make profit? So I think we have a long way to go, and I can confirm this move looking at this chart. Now this, let's bring this one. No, not this one. Yeah, this one. This chart is more of a liquidity based chart. So it's pinpoints areas where we have liquidity on any chart or on any coin. So in this case, we have liquidity right up to around this area here, 0.02, where we have this previous high here. And I think price is gonna go there. That's why you see after price break this zone, price went straight away up there because we don't have much liquidity here. Yeah, we don't have anything. That's why price had to go straight away up there. So I think price is gonna hold where we are and then keep going to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at for CSPR Casper. I think the next move has been confirmed already. The target is confirmed, and what is left now is for you to decide what you want to do. Are you gonna buy this bad boy, or you are gonna sit at the sideline and watch it go to Valhalla? All right, guys, that is it for today's video. If you say you love it, enjoy it. If you say you didn't love it, it's okay. If you say you love it, at least like, show some love. Comment below what you think about the future of this project. You think they have what it takes to take this coin to the next level, 50x, 100x, and yeah, you can never know, right? Anything can happen in cryptocurrency. So make sure you comment below your thought. Let me know what you're thinking. And if you're holding this bad boy, okay, let me know so that you're holding this bad boy. Until then, guys, see you the next one. Bye bye. Ciao.